He's alright.
Oh, he's alright?
Yeah, he's fine. He's fine.
Hey, Chrissy.
Alright, get down.
Hey, Chrissy.
Step up.
Hey, Chrissy.
Taking a video.
What a boy.
Look at the birdies.
There's some hands.
You got two birds on you.
Yeah.
Hey, big boy.
Are they in my hair?
Yeah, they're looking around, and here's our
Do you
Kanga.
like my glasses?
There she is.
How about this guy? You like
I know. You're hungry, right?
Look at him.
Yeah.
Who's that? You're being so gentle. You're so nice.
Get him off.
You're so nice.
Oh, the two of them?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Hi,
You
girl.
guys checking each other out?
Yeah.
Favorite thing in the world.
Hair.
Long hair and ponytail.
Are you gonna do this one?
Yeah.
Oh, look at what a big boy. Where are you going? Where are you
Hi,
going?
Charles. Come on, guys. Hi, Charles.
Come here. No, don't step on her.
On the wall?
Hi, Charles.
Alright, guys.
What a good boy.
You're stepping in poop, Charles.
Floyd. Feed him.
All of them.
Look at her. I can't believe
Okay.
it.
I know.
It's amazing.
Alright, come here, come here. Easy. It's coming out the other side. It flew in your face.
What a glutton.
Ah.
It doesn't take.
And when she's full, she still looks for more.
Nice, Weaver. Nice.
Look at the birds.
You're being gentle, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
No, come here.
I'm sorry.
Step
Hi,
up.
Charles.
Step up, Charles. Up. Step up. Come on. Come on. Step up. Step up. Good boy. What a good boy.
You're done, you're full, and that's it for you.
You're so very nice.
No more.
You're so very nice.
Look, you got it on your head,
Look at the big ball.
on your wings, and you're still going after my finger. Okay, you're gonna explode.
Look at that ball.
You guys want a taste? No. No.
Look at her. She wants more.
Charles, you can't have in on that. You can't have in on
I'm gonna wait
that.
till she.
You're a big boy now.
Charles.
You're a big boy now. Would you like a Cheerio?
Say I still take a little bit. Those guys
I taught me how to focus back.
Yeah.
easy.
That's what kind of bummed about the camera. It doesn't
You're
focus.
making a mess. Man, in your eye.
I want to put him on my arm, but I'm scared
So
to.
Charles,
Charles.
put him on your head. Step up, Charles. Step up. Come on, up. You're your own.
Charles, you asked her
He
to
just wants it. He wants a taste. You want a taste? That's it.